All over the world, a large-scale COVID-19 emergency vaccination is being carried out in a focused and orderly manner. In this video, we'll go over 10 frequently asked questions about vaccinations. Doubt 1. Is it possible to avoid adverse reactions by eating well and drinking plenty of water prior to vaccination? The adverse reaction to the vaccine is caused by the vaccine's biological properties and individual differences in the human body, not by the diet. However, experts advise against getting vaccinated on an empty stomach, primarily to avoid hypoglycemia symptoms. Doubt 2. Can drinking 2,000 milliliters of water after vaccinated and help to avoid adverse reactions? Appropriate drinking water is essential for human health, but it is unrelated to the adverse reactions to vaccination. Too much water consumed in a short period of time can easily cause body discomfort. Doubt 3. Can you take a bath on the day after COVID-19 vaccinated? It is possible to take a bath. Experts advise, however, that the injection site be kept clean and that you avoid scratching the inoculation site with your hands. Doubt 4. You can't exercise after getting vaccinated because it will lower your immunity? After the vaccine, you can exercise moderately without compromising your immunity. However, it is advised to avoid strenuous exercise in order to avoid discomfort caused by excessive exercise. Doubt 5. Do you have to abstain from alcohol, coffee, tea, seafood, beef, and other foods for a week after getting the COVID-19 vaccinated? Vaccination and diet have no direct relationship. You are free to eat normally before or after the vaccination. In order to maintain good health, experts advise against drinking alcohol and eating foods that commonly cause allergies, such as seafood. Doubt 6. Will there be antibodies after the vaccination, and will you be able to remove the mask? Wrong. Individually, no vaccine can provide 100% protection, and it takes a certain amount of time to produce protective antibodies, which varies slightly from person to person. As a result, even after being vaccinated, it is still necessary to insist on wearing masks and frequently washing hands, as well as other epidemic prevention measures. Maintain social distance and good ventilation within a space. Doubt 7. Has the new coronavirus mutated, and the vaccine may be ineffective? According to global monitoring of the new coronavirus's mutation, there is currently no evidence that the virus mutation will render the existing vaccine ineffective. Despite the fact that the virus has been mutating, its clinical characteristics have not changed. Scientists have discovered that domestic vaccines remain effective against some foreign mutated new coronaviruses. Even if the protective effect against mild cases is reduced, the protective effect against severe cases remains relatively high. In short, virus mutation is a natural occurrence, and you should not lose faith in vaccination because of it. Doubt 8. Did you finish 2 doses in 3 weeks? Will you lose everything if you are too late? The majority of new coronavirus vaccines require 2 doses. The recommended interval between the first and second doses of Sinovac inactivated virus vaccine is 3 to 8 weeks. The Oxford Astra Zeneca vaccine is recommended for 4 to 12 weeks, while the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine is recommended for 3 weeks. Because of an increase in cases of the Delta variant, B.1.617.2, and good progress with the vaccine rollout, you may receive your second dose sooner than expected. Doubt 9. Can I avoid the vaccination if others have already been vaccinated? Other people become immune after being vaccinated, but they cannot protect you if you do not get vaccinated. Even if the epidemic does not spread after the herd immunity barrier is established, this does not mean that the individual will not be infected. If there is a new epidemic and the virus spreads, you may become infected if you have not get vaccinated. Doubt 10. Isn't the protection period after vaccination only half a year? There is currently only half a year's worth of post-vaccination data, not only half a year protection. Vaccinated's current antibody levels have been monitored for more than 6 months. This is the time when antibody levels are currently being monitored. Experts are also continuing to strengthen monitoring, and the vaccine's long-term maintenance effect requires further investigation. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.